Today I will be drawing in my new toned paper sketchbook. I am Nikita, the animation addict. Subscribe. Hello everyone. Now I have purchased this new toned paper sketchbook and I am using different materials to color a figure drawing. As you can see, I am using here COPIC markers, Conte sticks and many other pens. If you want to buy any of the pens, the links will always be down in the description box. I am experimenting with various materials so to test what goes well with this paper. Okay, now all practice done. Now let's create a new drawing and color it with different materials and see what different effects we can bring to this figure when we are using a toned paper. Here I am using a simple micron pen. I am using to make this figure. Before creating this figure, I roughed out it with a rough pencil color in a very light manner. Yes, this is the real time speed in which I am drawing. I am using a reference here for the drawing. And slowly filling in the details above my very light pencil color sketch or the pencil color gesture. Yes, now speed up a little bit. Now we'll quickly finish this drawing and add these shadows with a Copic marker. Done. Yes, now I have this Copic marker which I love. I love this marker because it's a piece of luxury for me. These markers are very expensive alcohol markers, but they do give good results. The best thing about these markers are the brush tips. And here I am using the brush tips to mark the shadow shapes. The shadows which are clearly visible to me. And here comes the red marker, just for some interest, better than some boring grey. I already mentioned Copic markers are very expensive and I have very few of them, 3 or 4. So I just have fun with whatever I have. But if you want to buy the markers, there are a large variety of affordable alcohol markets available online. Filling in the shadow shapes, I am using a reference for this. I love experiment with my art, drawing, figure drawing and cartoons. So this is part of an experiment. I am playing with marker, shadow shapes, color and light and enjoying the process. Now I have placed out most of the shadows, I think. After this, I will lay out the highlights. Just finding more areas where I can add shadows and bring some form to it. Now I am adding highlights. I have a Conte stick in my hand, a little Conte stick. It's similar to soft pastel, has a chalk kind of feel when you use it, but it's smooth. Now I am using a Pentel brush pen to add the most dark spots. A Pentel brush pen and a Sharpie marker, which fits the best. What I feel was Pentel brush pen was more effective with dealing with markers and on this kind of paper. Pentel brush pen had enough black. I loved working with it. Adding the most dark shadows, which are obviously dark, very dark. Like below the belt and under clothing folds. This is the final step and it adds the most form to the figure. Thinking where I can add more darks. Complete dark. Bring in a little form. Now it looks almost done. And I am just adding some background touches. Again with a Conte stick. That's all. Hope you like this video. You do tell me, what do you think about this figure drawing? I will back next week with a new video. Subscribe to my channel. This is Nikita, the Animation Addict. Bye bye.